Welcome, today in front of me OUKITEL K13 Pro, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So let's just first open the Muviz Arch application, and after that, for example, select the another tab. Let's use this one. Tap here to apply. We can switch here the backgrounds of this tab. Let's use this one. We can hide music controls after 10 seconds or just to don't hide them. We can change notifications here, settings, so we can turn on or turn off notifications from different apps. We can show date or to turn it off, or also we can switch the battery status or just to don't show it while the device charging or always. And if we'll go here to the settings section to AOD, we can switch also show time of always on display on our lock screen, so always while the device charging or on music. So we can use these two features together or separately. We can change screen timeout from 1 minute just to never. We can select switch decrease or increase the brightness level. We can also close the AD by double or single tap on the lock screen, and we can also close it with a fingerprint if you use, for example, the fingerprint unlock method. Or also you can set a shadow, so we can set the start and the end time of the always on display feature. So that's it. That's how to customize always on display on our OUKITEL device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.